everyone, so today is an exciting video. This is my first advent calendar of this year and I'm so excited about it. You guys know I love advent calendar. So this is the W7 Beauty Bites advent calendar. This advent calendar actually came out last year, and as you guys know I unboxed all the W7 advent calendars last year that I could get my hands on, but this just wasn't available in the UK. I just couldn't get it. I tried my hardest to get this one. This comes out and it looks like bunting. So I'm so excited that I seen it on Superdrug. I was looking for this year's advent calendars and this showed up on Superdrug and I was like, well, okay, I'm going to buy it. It was only £20, which is fab. So I bought this from Superdrug. I'll link it down below. As you guys know, W7 is a very budget-friendly beauty brand, but it's very budget-friendly for advent calendars. I think mainly aimed at teens and stuff like that. So I'm going to get it out of this box anyways, but this is what it looks like here, just so you can see. This advent calendar, here it is out of its box. This is what it looks like. It's got two strings, so you could kind of hang it up on the wall like that, or hang it somewhere like that. This costs £20 and it's a 12-day advent calendar, and that works out about £1.66 a day. So then as you open it, you pull it open, and this is what I mean by it looks like bunting, so you can hang it like this. How pretty is that? Yeah, so I'm going to unbox this anyways. We're going to see what you get inside, and I haven't seen any spoilers for this, so this is all new for me. So day number one, remember this is working out about £1.66 a day. Day number one is the More Lashes Lengthening Mascara, and I'm sure this is like meant to be a dupe for Benefit Roller Lash. This is what the one looks like. It's not full size, but it's good little size. It's like a travel size, I would say. Have any of you tried that mascara? Number two is a little either blusher or bronzer, something like this. That it's called the Lotus Lake. This is new to me. I've never even seen this product, so it's quite exciting for me. So it's a blusher, I would say. Oh, it looks very shimmery. Let's have a swatch. It's called the Lotus Lake. And to be honest, I don't mind the size of this blusher because I can't remember the last time I used a blusher up. That is so pretty. That looks very similar to the Neutrogena blush that I've had a long time ago. I don't know where. I'll see if I can get an image of it. I haven't had it for a long time. But yeah, that is day number two. I'm really happy. Day number three is what I would think is an eyeliner. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm not really an eyeliner person, so I'll just open it, but I won't swatch it. Because, yeah, I'm not an eyeliner person, so this would never get used off me. This is what it looks like. Yeah, looks nice enough and stuff, but if I'm going to wear eyeliner, this wouldn't be the style of eyeliner I wear. Have any of you tried this eyeliner? But it looks like good size product. Day number four is this little cute pink Splendid sponge. I feel it even has the W7 logo on, so it's not like just a random sponge, you know. It actually has their logo on. Yeah, cute. It's very soft, like very soft. And I do actually quite prefer like when they're a little bit smaller. It will grow, but I do prefer when they're a little bit smaller. Not that I'm a big sponge user. Day number five. I will say, with them being like little triangles, they can be quite awkward to open. Day number five is this. It's from their Very Vegan range, and it is, I think, a lip gloss or a lip balm of some sort. Looks pretty. It doesn't have, I can't see the shade of it, but this is what it is. It's like a lip gloss. I'm actually not going to swatch this because I am not allowed no more new lip glosses right now. Ones that I know ones that I'm like on the fence that I would use in anyways, because I've got so many that I've swatched and then I don't use because they're just not shades I would use, and this is definitely not a shade that I would use. So I'd rather go to someone who would get a use from it. But very pretty. I love the packaging. I just wish it was like a little bit more of a sheer type lip gloss, in my opinion. I'm not really the biggest fan of full colour like lip glosses, but I mean, if you are, that is a beautiful product. Like I say, still a little bit small, but I mean, it's the novelty of it, isn't it? Number six, and anyways, day number 6. Let's get this one. We have got another thing wrapped in tissue. Feels very small, this, unfortunately. This is a W7 Lippy Chick, and this is a very small. This is a lipstick. I think I own this, to be honest. It is just a nice berry toned lipstick. That is what it looks like there. Very pretty. I'm sure if you've had previous W7 advent calendars, you may already own this if you've had any of their previous advent calendars. Day number 7 is a little square, which is always exciting. So we have got Honolulu, but it says it's the sun rays one. Now I've had Honolulu, but it didn't say sun rays, and it was a little bit dark for me. So I'm like, oh no, this, I think it's the same one. Oh no, is this shimmery? I don't know, like it looks shimmery. So is this like a bronzer version? Like like a shimmery bronzer version? I'm gonna swatch this. This probably won't be something I would use a lot though. That's the only thing, and that's why I'm trying my hardest. I mean, it looks nice. It definitely has a sheen to it, doesn't it? Oh, okay. I'm excited to try that. Might even if I don't use it like on my face, as you can see, I'm quite pale. I could use that maybe on my eyes. So okay, that's Bonnie. That's Bonnie. That was day number 7. Went to day number 8. We've got another like roundy one type one. Oh, I own this. We got this last year. This is the W7 Afterglow. This is so pretty. Like so pretty. I definitely got this last year. How stunning is this? This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. And this size is just such a perfect size. Really nice. Really happy with that product. Even though I already own it, I know that will go to somebody and they'll love it, you know. Really nice. So we want day number, that was day number 8. I've just realised I'm opening them from the side, but they actually have little slots where you open from the front. I've been opening them from here and on the side because I thought that's how you open them, but no, you open them from like little doors. I didn't realise that. Oh my god. So if you get this, you know that. So that was day number 8. So we want day number, I'm sure that was day number 8. Yeah, day number 8. So you want day number 9. Another wrapped in tissue item, and we have got the W7 clear lip gloss. This is another one that we got in the previous year's advent calendar. It feels a bit sticky, like it's been leaking slightly. Yeah, it's a really nice one as well. I think I've used it up, to be honest. If I haven't, I've nearly used it up. Just a clear lip gloss, really. You can't say much else. It is a little bit sticky, I will say that. We've got day number 10, which is the next one. And we've got another little lipstick. These are small and it is in a brownie shade. I'm sure I own this as well. This is what it looks like here. I do love a brown lip. And these are perfect to go in your bag, but they are small. I will say that they are small. Yeah, but cute enough. And that is date number 10. We're coming to the end. It's sad. I love advent calendars. We got day number 11. We have got the W7 All-Rounder Colour Pencil in Candy Apple. So is this like an eyeliner, a lip liner? It's only just a little small size. Obviously, everything's going to be pretty small because they've got to fit them in these little slots. So let's have a swatch of this. Oh, this is Bonnie. I would use this as a lip liner for sure. I think this is a lip liner. It's a dry lip liner. Very dry. I love a dry lip liner, by the way, if you just don't know. I like it. The feeling of it, a drag on my lips, especially when it's a red. I'm very happy with that. Really like that. That's one of my favourite days. And I think the name Candy Apple suits it. So we're on our last day, day number 12. Oh, I'm treasuring this poor advent calendar. I'm so sorry. I'll probably have to sellotape it back together. We have got a scrunchie. We've had this scrunchie. I own this scrunchie. I wear this scrunchie actually quite a lot because it's just simple, but it's got like a little hint of glam. Would I pay $166 for this? Would I pay $166 for a lot of these days? Probably not, to be honest. But I like this day. Like I say, would I pay $166 for a lot of these days? Probably not. But the thing is, you're paying for an advent calendar. You're paying for the experience of opening a surprise every day. And for £20, I think this advent calendar is good. I really do. I think it is a cute advent calendar. You're paying for the aspect of it being very cute. and the aspects of opening a surprise every day. And at £20, this is a reasonable little advent calendar, and I think it's bonny. I think it would look cute, and for the age range it's aimed at, I think it's really good. And you know, £20 is not a lot of money these days. Like, you can't get a lot for £20 these days. So in my opinion, as a gift for somebody, I think this is a lovely little advent calendar. I'll link it down below. I know it's definitely available on Superdrug, but I will try and see if I can find it on Amazon for maybe people who aren't just UK. Because I know I have got a few other country subscribers, but I'm not very good at finding links in other countries, but I will try in any ways. But I think this is a cute one if this is something that you're interested in. We're losing a product, the eyeliner, and at £20 I don't think it's too bad, but you are getting minis, and I've unboxed it for you, so whether you think it would be good for the age range, in my opinion, I think it is. But you're not going to get like, you know, say if you buy a £70 advent calendar, you're getting more products worth than your money. You know, this, you're buying this for the cuteness, the novelty, and the gifting values, really. But I think that always is with the W7 Technic advent calendars. Yeah, but I'm quite happy with it. Let me know what you guys think of this advent calendar. And anyways, are you excited for the advent calendar season ahead? I am so excited. So excited. I'm hoping to do even more advent calendars this year. I feel like I done less last year, but I mean, we'll see. I'm hoping to do even more advent calendars this year. So if there's any that you have seen that's already released or previews of released ones, please link down below. I have seen the cohorted one, and that is definitely one I think I'm getting this year. I wanted it last year, I didn't, but that is definitely one I'm thinking of getting this year. I'm very excited about the cohorted one. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love if you subscribe down below, especially if you like advent calendar videos, because I've unboxed a lot of advent calendars on my channel. And yeah, I will see you all in a minute.